today's Thursday business tip. Okay, so today I want to talk to you about how to recession proof, or as I would think of it, accident proof your business. So let's talk about business for a second, right? So what is your biggest resource in your business? Guess what? It's you. So when you're thinking about your business and how you're going to make your business successful and profitable, one of the things that you have to think about is what happens if you have an accident and you are stuck in bed for 2 weeks, 6 weeks? What if you have to have surgery? Is your business going to crash if you are not actively working on it all the time? Well, those are things that you really want to evaluate, think about, and have an answer for so that you can make sure your business can run with or without you. So let's talk about different ways that you can make your business kind of accident proof. So there are lots of things that you can do to monetize your business. So you think about your business like you would think about investments, right? So what do they say about investments? They say diversify, right? So you wouldn't want to put all your eggs in one basket. Well, the same exact thing happens with a business. So if you have all of your eggs in one basket, you're going to have an issue at some point. Something could happen. It may not happen, but it's possible. So you want to have in the back of your mind how you can add additional resources, additional revenue generation to your business without you having to perform a lot of things. So let's take, for example, let's say you make lotions, candles, bath products, wreaths, whatever it may be. Well, guess what? If that's what you do and that is your income is that you make those things. And if you don't have a pretty good inventory, and let's face it, with wreaths, you probably won't unless you're selling like multiples, okay? So something happens, then you can't make your product, and then you have a problem. So you need to have an idea of what you can do to monetize your business outside of that. So let's kind of explore a couple of the ways we can do that. All right, so having a YouTube channel. Absolutely, yes, because once you get to those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views, people will continue to watch your videos long after you've made them. So you could continue to get ad revenue on those over a long period of time. Sponsorships. Okay, so let's talk about sponsorships. Someone could sponsor your video, and that could also give you money generated after a period of time. Blogging. Okay, so having a website where you can blog, you can get both ad revenue and affiliate sales. So affiliate sales is a really great thing to use to monetize your business. So with affiliate sales, what you're doing is you're advertising for another company, and then if you push customers their way, they give you a commission on it. There's a lot of great places that you can sign up to do affiliates that are out there. They have affiliate marketplaces, at least that's what I call them. So one example would be Share a Sale. So Share a Sale is really good. It has Etsy's on it. There's a whole bunch of different places that are on these affiliate marketplaces. You sign up, and then you kind of go through their list and see which affiliates that kind of match what you have, and then you sign up, and you can get a special link that you use that's just special to you. There's so many places you could put affiliate links. So another way would be to generate sales and leads through email. You can do Pinterest, right? So Pinterest posts, there's a lot of things you can do with Pinterest posts. You can push people to different directions like your website, get more ad revenue. You can do digital products. So digital products, that means like a video that you sell, a course that you sell, a how to make this great stand to put your wreaths on. You know, how to make this wreath, how to make these mason jars, how to sell your products, how to open an Etsy shop. So there's so many things that you can do that would be considered a digital product. Ebooks, you know, sit down and think about what kind of things that you have that you already know. So like for me, right, I'm a CPA. I'm also a creative entrepreneur. So I kind of combine those two things together, which is why I have a business group. So guess what? My business group is going to keep going if I'm down. So I have like a month in between where I would not have a problem because, of course, I have ongoing training going for my group. We do calls, which I kind of doubt I would have trouble doing. So you just have to really be careful in thinking about the different ways that you can monetize your business. Just sit down with a piece of paper and think about all the special things that you know, and then think about how you can monetize all of those special things that you know, and you'd be surprised at what you'll come up with. So I've run many businesses in the past. I've run really small businesses up to, you know, very multi-million-dollar businesses, and they all have the exact same problems. They all have the problem of diversifying that revenue. Okay, so don't put your eggs in one basket. Be very conscientious and be smart when it comes to your business. So that's one of the things we're going through in my group this month is how to make affiliate revenue so that, you know, you can add in a little additional income. In the beginning, it's not going to be a lot, but it will grow over time, just like all things will with your business. So you just want to be intentional. Okay, and I hope this helps you because it really is very important that you really sit down and plan out for your business. Don't run by the seat of your pants because guess what? You're going to really struggle. It's going to make things so much harder, and it could take such a long time if you are not very intentional with your business. Okay, so make sure to check out my success path so that you know the steps that you need to take to make sure your business is profitable and how you can accident proof it. All right, I will see you again in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.